6 teams are sitting in a circle for the final round of clairvoyance quiz. The teams are from different institutions. In each team, there's a boy among Omar, Paul, Qasim, Rahul, Suhas, and Tony, and a girl among Usha, Veena, Vinny, Zara, Yasmin, and Zaira. Okay, now this question looks like a slightly complicated question because there are so many people out there. So 12 of them. So let's have a look at how we will go about doing this question. Now there are only 5 statements given to you. So I'm going to make the circle now and mark all the position and look at all these statements now. So let's look at first of all the statement which is the easiest to map. So that is the fourth one. You could have also taken statement number 1 to mark it because that also would have given similar kind of arrangement only. But I'm going to take the fourth one because there's a name also involved in that rather than only the team. So that's why I'm taking that. So Vinny's team is adjacent to BITS and NIT. So BITS and NIT can either come here or here. So one of them will be on one side and the other one on the other. So Vinny will be in between them. Next one. SRM team is between VIT and BITS. See, that is the reason why I took the statement number 4 because we already now have mapped BITS. So BITS team is here or here. That means VIT is definitely going to be here now. And SRM is among one of these two places. Zara is from MIT, which is sitting opposite to Zaira's team. So Zara is from MIT. Now see, if you actually look at this, you have BITS, NIT, SRM, VIT, 4 colleges here. And now you know that Zara is from MIT. That means Vinny is now definitely from the remaining 1 college, which is IIT. Right? And it says Zara is from MIT, which is sitting opposite Zaira's team. So Zaira's team. So definitely now Zara cannot come here because VIT is here. Here or here she cannot come. So the only possibility is one among these two. So Zara is from MIT. So SRM or MIT can be here and Zara could be here. SRM, MIT can be here. Zara could be here. If Zara is here, then Zaira is going to be opposite. If Zara is going to be here, then Zaira is going to be opposite here. So these many options we can now mark. So Zara is from MIT, which is opposite to Zaira's team. The IIT team is adjacent to the team represented by Omar and Veena. So the IIT we know is here, Vinny. So Omar or Veena has to be on one of these two sides. Next one. Now see, when I'm looking at now the last option, which statement which is left, which is Paul is to the left of Suhas, who is sitting opposite to Yasmin. Now in this, I am going to make 2 cases and eliminate one of them to just show you why we are eliminating it. So let's say now you are talking about Yasmin in this, isn't it? And it says Yasmin is sitting opposite to Suhas. Correct? Now we know there is Zaira here, Vinny here, and Veena here, Vinny here, or Zaira and Vinny here, and Veena and Vinny here. So which means Zaira, Veena, and Vinny are taken care of in these 3 places. Correct? One among these 2 is going to be Zara. Correct? So what is now, which is the place now left for Yasmin? So Yasmin can either be sitting here, in which case Usha is going to be either here or here, or Yasmin can be sitting either here or here, in which case Usha is going to be here. Correct? Now the problem in this is if Yasmin is sitting here, then Yasmin has to be sitting opposite to Suhas. Correct? And if Yasmin is sitting here, here also she has to be opposite to Suhas. Correct? So let's now try to see how this will now work. If Yasmin is sitting here, Zaira and Suhas are going to be opposite to Yasmin. But what we know here is Zara is sitting opposite to Yasmin. But if Yasmin is going to sit here, then Zara is going to be on this side and Zara will then be looking at either Omar or Veena. That means this is not possible because when I'm saying Yasmin is here, then Zaira and Suhas will be now on this side. Correct? Why? Because Omar and Veena are paired already. So they cannot be now coming this side. Correct? So, and if Yasmin is here, Zara will not be here. And if Zara is not there, then Zara is here. And in that case, Zara will be opposite of Omar and Veena, which is not possible because Zara is sitting opposite to Zaira's team. So this case is definitely not possible. Correct? That means what? That means the only possibility is here that Yasmin comes here and opposite Yasmin you have Suhas. Correct? And you now have Zara or Usha sitting at one of these two places. And wherever Zara will be there, opposite Zara, you will have Zaira. And Suhas is sitting here. That means what? That means now Paul will be sitting to the left of Suhas. Paul is to the left of Suhas. So Suhas will be here. Paul will be here. That means Zaira is going to be here. And Veena and Omar will be now this side. And Zara will be sitting opposite to Zaira. And Zara is from MIT. So SRM is for Usha. So this now solves this question. Right? Let's look at the questions which are given. Who among the following is sitting in a team opposite to that of NIT? So NIT team is here. So that is going to be SRM and that is Usha. BITS team is represented by, so BITS team is represented by Zaira and Paul. Which team is opposite to the team represented by Yasmin? So which team is opposite that? IIT. Next one. Which of the following are teammates? Zaira and Qasim, no. Vinny and Paul, no. Zara and Tony, we can't say. And Vinny and Suhas, that's the right answer because we know that they teamed up for IIT. Last one. Which of the following is definitely true? Zaira and Paul are not teammates. No, Zaira and Paul are teammates. Correct? Usha is to the left of Yasmin. No, Usha is to the right of Yasmin. Zara is paired with Rahul. We can't say that that it's definitely true. Usha is in the SRM team. Yeah, that is definitely true. That solves this